Hi, this is Ali, founder and CEO of myHopscotch, the most beloved car buying service in our country. Hey, it's time for some free advice. I want to talk to you about how to get that exact new car that you want. In this crazy environment, when every car dealership you go to looks like they're resurfacing their pavement because they have no cars, and still get a great deal on it. The secret's called factory order. Look, if you go to most of the manufacturer websites, Ford.com, Toyota.com, BMW.com, Acura.com, Lexus.com, you name it. They all have a tab that says build your own. And you go on the website, you click on that tab and you choose the color and the engine, the configuration, the trim, and all the little options that you would order if you could build the car just the way you want it. You get the price, you like what you see, and you go, yeah, that's what I want. Then you contact the nearest dealership to you and say, hey, I just built a car online. This is what I want. Do you have one in stock? And the answer today, and even a couple of years ago, the answer was no, but I have something pretty close. No, I want what I want. And you call the next dealership. You ask them if they have exactly what you want. And the answer was no, but I have something close. Well, the reason is because there's practically infinite way to buy, to build every make, every model. And if the dealership was going to build just one of each variation possible, they would need room for thousands of cars, right? And that's not possible. So what do? They just build the most common ones, and they put on their lots. And then when people call and say, I want what I want, they go, no, I don't have that, but I have something close. Do you want to wait for 3 months? And the most answer would be, no, I'll just, make compromises and get something close. Well, today, in this environment, there's something close is not even there anymore, right? And if there is something close, they want so much money for it because if you don't pay it, the guy standing behind you will. So what do? You make a factory order, right? So you reach the dealer near you or somebody you want to work with, and you ask them to give you a proposal on a factory order, which would take sometime between 3 to 4 months. Some a little quicker, some a little longer, but the average is about 3 to 4 months for them to order a car just for you on a pre-negotiated deal. And when that car comes in, it's your car. Nobody else is going to stand behind you and compete with you on that. The only thing you need to do is how to negotiate a great deal on it, because even now the dealers say, yeah, it's a factory order, but it's an allocation. We only have limited allocation, so we can't. Horse poo-poo. There are ways to negotiate factory orders and get aggressive car deals like it was a couple of years ago before everything went haywire on us. You need to know a couple of technical terms. You need to know who to talk to, and voila. So factory order is a secret. If you want to go at it, I hope this helps. If not, you can always reach out to us, myHopscotch.com. And I assure you that the little fee we charge to handle everything from A to Z is by far less than what will save you. Either way, good luck with your new car purchase and have a great day.